A camera with a screen in the front. Oh yes, camera. The 8 gig or the...
One's 25, right?
Yeah. And then 4 gig is... Alright. 8 gig it is. Thank you.
What, do you think I made of money?
Well, you're alright at the moment, yeah.
Well, the money we get from YouTube in one day is like...
and all our products and books are for sale. That's pretty good. What?
That's more than you need. That card is good enough.
4 gig AMD Athlon 11 or 11 X345517. Yes, that is a very good computer. NVIDIA GeForce 92. But see, the thing I gotta look for, Alan, is I can see back there. I need to see the back. There's nothing video.
Just ask Julie.
Just ask Julie. Well, I should start filming back in higher. Now, this camera's getting wet. Just do it.
Oh, Kurt isn't set.
Yeah.
Where does Gatlin work? Because
I remember.
he's willing to come out here for wings? Does this make sense to you?
I can literally record right now
The whole movie.
an hour and 41 minutes and 40 seconds in high quality recording. And I got this, replaced this 1 gig card. You can't see that. But, like, I don't want to lose that card. I got footage on there. I'll put it in my pocket here, so on and so forth. Okay, yeah, can I put my seatbelt on?
No.
You want to hold that?
Oh, hang on, I'm driving.
It's recording. You're covering the thing. How dare Okay, give me the, yeah, thanks, bye. Okay. So, now I can actually don't, like, 12 minutes is the tops with my 1 gig card. That's what I could record. So this is a big step up. I don't have to worry about it.
Okay, where are we going again?
Well, what time is it?
Dudeville?
30.
Any place but Dudeville.
Dune? Dude. Whoa. Whoa! Can't get over this. This is ridiculous. This is gonna be a...
This is apparently, like the weather said that there was a weather warning for Hanover, i.e. Steinbach, and not Winnipeg, so it's worse than Steinbach.
It's worse than Steinbach?
That's
according to
the weather said.
All this for ribs. Or, no, chicken wings.
No, this is for Gatlin.
It's for Gatlin,
This is
yeah.
only for Gatlin.
Yeah.
It's not for the ribs.
Yes. We keep saying ribs. It's not ribs, it's wings. Alright.
It's like being tossed all over the water on the sea. There's rocks everywhere. To this channel of water.
Water.
Wow.
Okay, I'm cutting. Well, we almost didn't stop for that. Just a second. I just have to say, whoever made Lexar Sony cards for Sony products, please package it so you can actually open it without a pair of scissors, because I don't have scissors or a knife on me, and it took me like 5 minutes to open that package, and it was a trial. It was work. So please, Lexar, make your packaging a little more friendly. Oh, and, you know, it's just like, well, this big package, you know, just to get a little card out like this, you know. I tell you. Boy, you can vault, eh?
I can vault.
Yeah. Nice.
Sunset.
I can't get over this blizzard. We got caught in this blizzard. It wasn't like this when we left. It was starting. We didn't think it'd get this bad. There's a lot of vehicles here. So here we are at Smitty's. We're at Smitty's here. Going to meet Gatlin, the director of Reverse Zombies / producer. Thanks. You're welcome. Yeah.
Wow, it's a lounge full of wing eaters.
Here we are waiting in the parking lot in the middle of a blizzard for wings and Gatlin.
Wings and Gatlin.
Wings and Gatlin.
Wings and Gatlin.
Wing.
Is this woman coming?
Yeah.
That'll make wings more interesting.
Do that again.
He said non-sexually.
I can't even hold the camera. Dude, go one more time. I don't know why that's so funny. Is Gatlin's woman coming?
Wow.
Okay. Oh, she's probably gonna see this too.
Cost me my ribs, wings, and all that bullshit.
Stuff and junk.
Babysitter gone wrong. I should have done that on Disney. And I'm very disheveled. Babysitter gone wrong. Making Gatlin late.
We're bored. Waiting in a car. In a blizzard. Nah. Moo. Moo.
I'm not bored.
Are you?
Waiting for the
Ribs.
ribs that aren't ribs.
Ribs that aren't ribs are actually wings.
Rings?
Rib
rings?
The rib rings.
You're gross.
Sitting in a car, doing stuff.
Because the babysitter's
Gone wrong. We're here. Getting a bit tired. Ah, jeez Louise. Yeah. Oh, I know how the light works now.
Here's how the light works. It shines. It goes to your eyes. It blinds you. And you say, oh, fuck. That's how the light works.
Oh, okay. Jay's tired now.
Waiting for Gatlin because he's not here. Because babysitter gone wrong. These drums.
These drums. Oh yeah, let's turn out. Oh, this light's gonna go off. Alright. He burped. It smells. What are you doing?
Burp.
Gat's on Lash, which means he's coming here soon.
Catch Lagina.
Gatler's waiting in our car, and Gatlin's late because his babysitter's gone wrong. You can tell we're bored.
I'm not bored.
Yeah, we are. Ah, sun flare, Star Trek. Okay. I'm filming.
Filming? Oh. Here I am waiting for a click. It's like, come on, buddy.
So we finally get there.
I'm driving Billy all over the place because the babysitter's wrong.
Yeah. Oh, snow. The road that we're supposed to be on. That's insane. Snow No, just on a road. I don't know.
We're doing 50 in that 80 zone.
Yep, I reckon.
That sign bugs me.
Yeah.
Like, where's the road?